Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out Dodge Caravan seats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. For safety, it's a good idea to disconnect the negative battery terminal. You'll want to gather a few essential tools, such as a socket wrench with various sizes and possibly a flathead screwdriver, to make the process smooth and efficient. Clear the area around the seats to give yourself ample working space. For the second row stow and go seats, begin by locating the two fabric release straps at the base of each seat. Pull the first strap to unlatch the seat from its floor mounts. Then, pull the second strap, which allows the seat to fold forward and pivot down into the floor compartment. Make sure the seat is fully stowed and secured within its well, lying completely flat for maximum cargo space. Moving to the third row seat, access the rear cargo area of your Caravan. You will find two distinct release levers located on the back of the seat. To unlatch the seat from its floor mounts, pull both of these levers simultaneously. With the seat unlatched, carefully lift the entire seat assembly out of the vehicle. It can be heavy, so consider having a second person assist you. Once your seats are removed, store them in a dry, secure, and clean location to prevent any damage or mildew. Covering them with a sheet or tarp is a good idea to protect them from dust. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse the removal steps. Always double-check that all seats are properly latched and secured into their floor mounts before driving for everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.